So I did something again. So I know I just got the A4, but I was searching on the marketplace. I always search on the marketplace just to see, you know, cars. Maybe there's cool cars for sale, whatever. And I bought another car. But it's one that I wanted for a while. It's not like the top of like the line in terms of like what I would want for the car, but I'll show you guys. It is Mark 4. It's a Mark 4 1999 Jetta GLS. So it's quite dirty, to say the least. Here's the inside. I gotta get not a lot of stuff for this car, but I gotta get some stuff for this car. It needs a good cleaning. I went to Advanced Auto, and let's see if this will focus. Yeah, there we go. I got some little trees, Ozium, some spray. I got some other stuff. I got like a shop vac at my house and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna be cleaning it out today. But I'm gonna just do a little walk around. Well, let's get the interior first. So I think it might be locked. How do I even? There we go. All right. Here's a back. Back is quite dirty as well. There's literally like cobwebs in this vehicle. It sat for a while. But Mark 4 stock OEM wheels. It's tinted out, which I like. I'm probably gonna be updating the tint on it though. The back windshield definitely needs to get the tint redone on it because it has like all this stuff. So tint, gotta replace that. And the back window, I'm gonna be taking off this antenna. There looks like there's a bumblebee that wants my attention. Some rust here, a little bit, but I have a rust spot right here. Underneath wise, I looked underneath, it's pretty clean underneath. I have a rust spot up here and right here in the fenders. These are always, the V-dubs are just infamous for their rusting right here, but where I work, they do body work as well. And I talked to one of my co-workers, and he is going to probably be most likely able to basically redo this fender, and if it's too bad, I'll just get new fenders and he'll be able to basically paint match it. So far I plan on replacing both fenders, and yeah, because this side is like really bad. But I live in upstate New York, so what do you expect? Engine wise, I need an oil change. The dude told me he replaced the power steering pump, and new coils, everything like that. It runs surprisingly very well, and for what I got it for, the price is not bad. I also have to replace the front windshield because it has a massive, I don't know if it will pick up. Let's see if it, right here, you guys can see right there at least. It has a crack, but the crack runs across all the way up here and over there. So replace front windshield. But for what I got it for, it's not that bad of a deal. So today we're gonna be cleaning out the car. We're gonna be cleaning this bad boy out. So I'm gonna be cleaning this bad boy out and washing it. So we're gonna go over to my girlfriend's house. We're at my house right now. I don't have a hose, but she has a hose. So we're gonna go there. I'm gonna wash it, clean it out really well. Then probably start removing the tint in the back window. Also, that everything inside really like works, so that's a plus. So I don't have the keys in the ignition, but everything inside the car works. The only downfall I see so far mainly is that it has no radio. It didn't come with a radio, so gotta put a deck in. It has like a single din deck. I think I might just put a double din. And I guess that doesn't work. Oh, and also right here, gotta fix that as well. But I paid $450 for this thing. It has 127 miles on it, and that's pretty cool to me because I bought my my Rabbit with that many miles. So and that still ran like a champ until I started building that and doing things that I wasn't meant to do. But also it's an automatic, unfortunately. If I could have found this in a manual, it would have been a lot more fun. But for what I got it for, and it's a 2.0 non-turbo, so I might turbo it out. I don't know. If I'm gonna turbo it out, I'm definitely gonna do a manual swap as well. So, but that's not really. Basically, that's not the point of this build either. The point of this build is to stance this motherfucker out. And also, it needs brakes really, really, really bad. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys could actually even see this rotor in here, but I might just, yeah, look at this. So this rotor, I might just stick my finger in there. This rotor is literally maybe like quarter, like the size of like a little thicker than a quarter. I swear to you guys. And $450 he also threw in the rear brakes and the rotor, so I'm gonna do those maybe today. I gotta do the brakes on the Honda anyway, so I might as well just do both brakes today. And I gotta clean this nasty thing out. When I tell you this thing was nasty and it smells really bad, the person must have smoked cigarettes. They said they delivered pizzas in the car, and but I got this from Mexico, New York, and I live in Syracuse, so it was a 45-minute drive there, and this baby made it all the way back in one piece, and it's still running strong. So today it's gonna be just washing, cleaning, brakes, and then slowly but surely I'm gonna start building it. Probably first it's gonna be lowering it wide, so coilovers, new wheels, new tires. Also these wheels the wheels in themselves are worth what I paid. So and my buddy needs some, so I'm thinking I might sell these ones to him, and get some new ones basically with the money. All new set of rims basically. I'm not going BBS's, and I found a really nice set that were like 15 inches, but I think I might go like 17. So, but I'm gonna get some footage of me driving to my girlfriend's and doing all that stuff. So I'll see you guys soon. So we're getting some car wash stuff and some, what is this? Some spin engines. So, but look how big these guys are, you guys. These shits are huge. $1.50. But I'll probably go with a Turtle X. I'm not really an Armor All kind of guy. Turtle X, I guess. Same, and yeah, $3.95 cheaper. Everybody thinks you need like the most like best stuff to wash a car, but you really don't. Actually, this stuff right here, Purple Power, you guys. Purple Power, and right here, this stuff right here is wonderful for just cleaning up anything, and this stuff right here is beautiful for cleaning the wheel. So I'm probably get that too. So we got that and that. What else do we might need? I think that's good.
Tire shine applicator.
Those don't really work that well unless your tires are like brand new, or you just like clean them. Yeah, I think this is good. So when now back on our way to wash the car, and we're at the Dollar General. Yeah, Dollar General. So we are back on our way to wash the cars. We're gonna wash the V-Dub and the Honda. Let me try to roll this window up, and goddamn, so everybody thinks I'm a bad driver, but if you guys could see how she's hitting these corners right now.
I'm not.
Bro, you guys see me rocking it back and forth, so we all know who's a good driver. We went around a curb going like 90, so.
We did not.
But
I was going 25.
We're in our cars. We're about to wash our cars. She says my car is filthy, but a car I had before that I bought had heroin needles in it, so you know. After you get a car like that, you kind of like, you know, any other little, you know, dirt or mystery, what would you call it, fluids, they're not that big of a deal. You just clean it up and, you know, make it new again. I'm about to definitely get bucket seats for the two front seats. I don't think I'm gonna like throw any harnesses or anything like that in it, since it's a 4-door. Most of my cars I usually get are coupes, and like I don't really have like, I always strip out the back seats, but since this is a 4-door and I'm just going mainly for like a stance build, I'm gonna, you know, probably keep keep the back seats and don't do a harness, just regular seat belts but with bucket seats in the front, because bucket seats are cool, so why not. Alright guys, so we're back. I'm gonna kind of do, I guess, a product review. So this is the Black Magic Bleach White tire cleaner, and so I think I paid like, it was like $4 altogether I think, but this is dirty, as you guys can see, like, but I'm gonna show you guys how well this stuff works. And this is safe on tires as well. And you guys can just see already, like, I don't know if you guys can see like how well it's already coming up. Yeah, it's picking up. Yeah, so it's really in there really well.
With some cash, nigga, throw a bag at me. I'm getting money, I was broke and bummy, niggas laughed at me. Now I'm flexing on my old bitch, got shorty mad at me. Damn, you look good when you count them stacks up. Damn, I look good when I hold this Mac up. I'm a big nigga, yeah, don't forget.
Alright guys, so today is the second day of owning this, and I'm doing the rear brakes right now. I need to get a thing that compresses the rear calipers. So I have a C-clamp, but for rear pistons or rear calipers, you need something that's going to compress that. So my girlfriend's going to grab that for me, but so far this is how the car is looking. This is a bit right here. We got the brakes going on. It's kind of right here, it's a little bit rusted, but it's no, like, it's just surface rust. Springs, I'm going to be replacing all that anyways with coilovers to slam this bad boy. But there's that so far. I do not have the other side jacked up though, but I'll show you guys the inside. So as you see, it's still filthy on this side. This side is a little bit better, and I cleaned the dash as well, so it's getting there slowly but surely. I'm going to pull both these seats out. Bucket seats for the front, of course, but as well I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to clean up underneath everything here. I'm going to get some WeatherTech floor mats, and I found the cover for this. It was in here somewhere. I just found it. It does not work though, so gotta fix that. But I'd probably go get a deck from maybe Vans Auto or Walmart, just a cheap little deck, just so, I don't know why I flipped like that, just so we have some kind of music in here. And I gotta get the cover for this part, which I'll probably go for pick a pole or like the junkyard. Basically, that's basically what it is. You pull, you save, and slap that on. Probably aftermarket steering wheel. I don't know why. Okay, I know why it's doing this. I flipped it the wrong way. So yeah. So far though, not bad. Not bad. Alright guys, so little update. I got the one side done. I got the pads, new rotors, everything on it, and put the tire on. Went over to the next side. There's a screw that sits into the rotor that got stripped, so now I gotta drill that out. The caliper shot on that side, and also on that side I seen the spring, and I knew I needed new, like, you know, shocks, whatever, and I didn't know how bad I needed them, but this is what came off of the screw, so, or the shock, basically, my springs. This is terrible, but I'm surprised, like, I really couldn't notice it, like, really driving that bad, like, but, so, now, I wanted to make this a budget build, but now, I'm like, okay, new trunk, 2 new fenders, drilled and slotted rotors all the way around, new pads all the way around. I need to replace at least the rear caliper on the passenger side, alongside with coilovers. So it's still gonna be budget, I think, but it's gonna be, you know, a little bit more.
Bougie budget.
Yeah, bougie budget. So far this is the update. I guess this will be episode 1. Not so bad. I got it for $450. I can't complain with anything that's really wrong with it. But kind of, it's just like when you're finally about to get something done and then it defeats you, you're kind of like, damn, you know, like, so. But keep you guys posted, and hopefully you guys enjoy these videos, and if you do, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.